In this video, I'm going to show you how to add emojis to your photos on your iPhone. So to start with, head over to the Photos app on your phone and then just select the photo that you want to add an emoji to. Once you've selected your photo, click on this horizontal icon in the bottom navigation and then click on the pen tool in the top right hand side. So you may get this message pop up. If you do, just click on OK. Then click on the plus icon in the bottom right hand side, select Add Text, and then just go ahead and select the text like so. This will bring up your keyboard and you can go ahead and delete these text characters. Then what we're going to do is click on the emoji icon in the bottom left hand side, and from here you can select the emoji that you want to add. So I'm just going to add this red love heart, and once you've added your emoji, you're then just going to click somewhere on the screen to get rid of the keyboard, and then you need to select the emoji that you just added. From here, click on the double A button, and now you'll be able to resize your emoji. So I'm going to bring this all the way up to 100 points in size. Now if I head back over to my emoji, you can see that it's a lot bigger. You can also just click on the 60-point text, and that's going to bring down this drop down, and then you can just select a size from here. Once you're happy with your emoji, you can then drag it to where you want it placed on the screen. You can also use your fingers to rotate the emoji as well. So once you're happy with your image, just click on Done in the top right hand side and then go ahead and click on Done again. And there we have it. We've now added an emoji to our iPhone image. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next